morning, children. Today we are going to learn about vegetative reproduction in root, stem and leaves. Okay, so now we enter in the vegetative reproduction in root. Okay, so roots of some plants develop vegetative or adventitious buds on them. Okay, so the roots of some plants, so consider this one as a plant, so here the root. Okay, so roots of some plants develop vegetative bud or adventitious buds on them. அந்த ரூட்டுக்கு மேலே ஒரு adventitious buds டெவலப் பண்ணுது. What is mean by adventitious buds? Okay, so here seed producing radicle and plumule. Radicle produce root system and plumule producing the shoot system. Okay, without involvement of seed, the plants producing the offsprings or small plant, other plant, that one is called as a adventitious one. So that one is called as a adventitious bud. So here this is a parent plant. Okay, so this one is a parent plant's root, but this roots producing adventitious buds on them. Okay, example is Moria, Dalbergia, Millingtonia. We have to know about botanical names, right? So the botanical name of Moria is Moria koenji. Say again, Moria koenji. So see, this one is a Moria koenji karuveppalai. We are using in daily life, curry leaf. That one is called as a Moria. So next one is Dalbergia. So next one is Dalbergia. The botanical name of Dalbergia is Dalbergia lentifolia. Okay, புன்னை மரம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, புன்னை. So that one is the this one is called as a what? Rosewood, Dalbergia lentifolia. Okay, next one is the common name of Dalbergia is Indian rosewood. Then Millingtonia. The botanical name of Millingtonia is Millingtonia hortensis. So this one is called as a tree of jasmine. Okay, tree of jasmine. It's not our jasmine plant, so it's called as a tree of jasmine. See, this one is that plant. Okay, next one is some tuberous adventitious roots apart from developing buds also store food. Here one bud is developed, no, that one is one property. Then next one is some tuberous adventitious roots develop apart from the developing bud also store a food material. So this one is called as example of storing food material, Ipomoea batidas. Okay, Ipomoea batidas. Okay, what is the local name of Ipomoea? Sweet potato, chini kalangan solluvom illaya, that one. See, this one is a sweet potato. Okay, next one is dahlia. So see, this is a beautiful flower. This one is called as a dahlia. Okay, next one is roots possessing buds become detached from the parent plant and grow into independent plants under the suitable condition. Okay, when the suitable conditions came, the plant is detached from the parent plant. Parent plant and pirinji, it is also grow into an independent plant. Okay, this and all having the vegetative reproduction in root. Next we will enter into the vegetative reproduction in stem. Okay, here the vegetative reproduction stem is very easiest one. Important also: rhizome, corm, tuber, bulb, runner and stolon, offset, circle and bulbous. 9 type of vegetative reproduction is there. Okay, first one is rhizome. Okay, first one is what ma? Rhizome. Here see, this one is a Musa paradisiaca. It is not an unfamiliar plant, it's a familiar plant. What is this one is a Valai maram. Okay, so next one is what? Gingiper avishnale. Gingiper avishnale. This one is a Gingiper avishnale. The common name is Enji. Okay, next one is Curcuma lanka. So Curcuma lanka, the common name is Manjal. Okay, so next one is Amorphous. So I want to tell about the Amorphous. It's a biggest flower. Okay, world biggest flower is okay, and Amorphous. Okay, next Colocasia. So what is Colocasia means what? Colocasia means Chennai Kalangu. We are using the daily life, we are using Chennai Kalangu, no? So that one is called as a colocasia. Then tuber, Solanum tuberosum. So see here, this is a Solanum tuberosum, the potato. Okay. Next one is bulb. Bulb is Allium ceiba. Allium ceiba, Vengayam. Okay. Then lilium. Lilium is a very beautiful flower. Okay. Then next one is runner. See here, lilium. Next one is Centella. So Centella is a Ballare. It's very good for our brain. Okay. Next one is Stolon. Stolon, Mentha and Fragaria. So here mentha. We know about the mentha. We are daily using mentha in our life. Then next one is Fragaria. It's a familiar name, but you are familiar the plant strawberry. The botanical name of strawberry is Fragaria. Okay. Next offset, Pistia. See, this one is a Pistia. Next Eichhornia. So this one is a Pistia and Eichhornia. Next one is sucker, Chrysanthemum. See, this one is a Chrysanthemum. Okay. Then bulbous Dioscora. So see, this one is a Dioscora. Then agave. See, this one is a agave. So the axillary buds from the nodes of rhizome. Okay. What is mean by node? Nodes of rhizome. Nodes of rhizome. So see here. So example of rhizome is what? Musa paradisaica, Gingifer avishnale and Curcuma lanca. Okay, so see here. So see here, this one is a node. Okay, this one is a node. Okay, this one is a node. So the axillary bud, this one is an axillary bud, but this is okay. This one is a node. Okay, node. Here this node having axillary buds on them. Okay, so the axillary buds from the nodes and the axillary buds were the, so axillary buds from the nodes of the rhizome and the eye of tuber. Eye of tuber what? Potato, right? So see this is the eye of potato. Kulikuliya therida. So that one is the eye of potato. So give rise to new plant. Idha enna panadhu? Give rise to this node only. Give rise to new plant. Okay. Next, vegetative reproduction in leaf. Okay. Some plants adventitious buds or develop on their leaf. And the leaf ka male enna panadhu? Adventitious buds வந்து develop ஆகுது. So see here, some plants adventitious buds. So here I already mentioned what is mean by adventitious. Radicle or plumule producing without radicle, involvement of radicle and plumule, that one is called as a what? Adventitious. So here leaf is producing the plant, right? See here, the some plants adventitious buds or develop on their leaf. Adventitious buds are develop on the leaf when they are detached from the parent plant. இது எப்போ parent plant இருந்து detach ஆகுதோ it's grow into new individual. இது இன்னொரு plant வளரும். When they are first one is in some advantageous in some plants producing advantageous buds develop on their leaf when they detach from the parent plant. They grow into new plant. Okay, example Bryophyllum, Cilia, Bignonia. So this one is a Bryophyllum. Okay, this one is a Cilia. Okay, this one is a Bignonia. So in Bryophyllum the leaf is succulent. நம்ம இது ஆலோவேரா தொட்டு பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா, ஒரு மாதிரி உள்ள வந்து ரொம்ப மியூசிலேஜாக இருக்கும், வெளியே ரொம்ப ஹார்டாக இருக்கும். That one is a succulent nature. Okay. In Bryophyllum, the leaf is succulent and notched on their margin. அதோட மார்ஜின் ஒரு முடிச்சா இருக்கும். Adventitious buds at the notch or called. This one is called as a what? Epiphyllous bud. This one is called as a epiphyllous bud. Okay, this one is called as a epiphyllous bud. They develop into plants forming root system. Here it's producing the root system when it is producing root system, it is with independent plants when the leaf is decay. இது கீழே விழுந்து எப்போ decay ஆகுதோ அழியுதோ, then the roots begin independent plants. Okay, independent plants. See here in Bryophyllum the leaf is circular and notch on their margin. Advantageous buds develop and at this notches and are called as a epiphyllous bud. They develop into a new plant forming root system and become independent plants when the leaf is get decay. So next one is cilia. Okay, we studied saw the picture of cilia, right? So cilia is a bulbous plant and grows in sandy soil. Sandy soil la வளரக்கூடிய ஒரு bulbous plant. Okay, this one. So the foliage leaves are long and narrow. Leaf எப்படி இருக்குது? லாங்கா இருக்கா? See the leaf. This one is long and narrow and epiphyllous buds develop on their tips. இதோட tipsல தான் என்னது? Epiphyllous buds வந்து என்னது form ஆகுது. Okay, so these buds develop into new plants when they touch to the soil. These buds when touch the soil, it's become independent. Okay, that's it. Thank you students.